Before you start your work, you need 4 things. You need to prepare your space, get your materials, make a playlist if you want to listen to music, and set up some time. Hello! For today's task, we're gonna focus on developing your creativity. For that, we're gonna ask you to make a piece of art working with one of these, an empty toilet roll. One thing that you can do is work straight into it. You can work with paint, you can work with pencil. If you do this, I would suggest maybe try to have a look around, see if there's any object that you can fit inside that might make it easier for you to draw. Otherwise, the pressure makes it a bit uncomfortable. If you are still struggling with this, what you can do is you can make a template of your toilet roll with a white piece of paper and work on that, so you can draw first and then stick that into your empty toilet roll. If you decide to cover your toilet roll with a piece of paper, you should consider leaving a small piece of paper on top and on the bottom, and then you can just flip them over, and then it will be easier to cover the whole thing without showing any marks with the scissors or anything like that. I'm gonna show you the example of what I did. I would suggest have a look online, try to find different examples, try to find things that inspire you. I did my project inspired by one of the characters from Final Fantasy VII. See what you find online, see what materials you have, follow the tips and have fun.